I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. You came to the Philippines, the smiles, the warmth, the feeling of being wanted. You meet her young, beautiful, full of charm, and you thought this is paradise. But months later, your paradise turned into confusion, heartbreak, and betrayal. You are not alone. Many foreigners from the US, Europe, Australia have made a silent vow. Never again will I fall in love with an age gap Filipina. Why? Let's talk about it. The good, the bad, and the painful truth behind these relationships. Most foreign men arrive in the Philippines searching for peace, not drama. After years of loneliness or divorce, they find your full energy, laughter, and simplicity in Filipino woman. She is 22, you are 55, but somehow it works at first. The chemistry feels real. She is affectionate, always texting, calls you honey or my love. You start believing she's different. You are generous. You help her family. You take her to nice places. But underneath that fairy tale, small cracks begin to show. Slowly, attention changes. Messages become shorter. Calls become rare. She starts saying things like, "You don't trust me?" or "I'm not a gold digger," even when you never accuse her. This is the stage many foreigners describe as the flip. It's when the loving Filipina slowly becomes distant, defensive, and emotionally cold. And when a foreign man questions it, suddenly he becomes the villain. The girl plays the emotional victim online, to friends, even to social media. And before long, he is heartbroken, embarrassed, and often financially drained. Let's be honest, not every Filipina is like this. There are sincere, loyal, loving women who build strong marriages. But many age gap romances fail because they were never emotionally balanced. The main reasons it happens: 1. Different goals. She wants excitement and exploration. He wants space and commitment. 2. Family pressure. She is expected to send money or support relatives. 3. Social influence. Her friends and TikTok tell her she can upgrade. 4. Age perception. The more she is exposed to younger men, the more she questions her older partner. 5. Entitlement and attention. Once she realizes her power online, affection turns into leverage. So while he is investing emotionally, she is slowly drifting toward validation and image. That's why many older foreigners today, especially retirees, are quietly vowing no more 25-year-olds, no more emotional roller coasters, no more manipulative games. Some foreigners now prefer women closer to their age or mature single moms who have lived life and understand struggle. Others simply stay single enjoying their pace rather than repeating heartbreak. The sad part is, these men didn't come to exploit. They came to love, to rebuild. But the experience taught them that beauty without loyalty is emptiness. They learned that being a good man in the wrong relationship can destroy your self worth. If you are watching this and you have been through that heartbreak, don't let bitterness win. Learn from it, grow from it, but never lose your ability to love, just choose wiser. The age gap isn't always the problem. Emotional maturity is. Some 25-year-old women have more sense and loyalty than a 40-year-old drama queen. But one thing's for sure, love built on fantasy will always end the frustration. So before you fall for another smile, ask yourself, is she in love with you or the idea of you? Many foreigners have learned the hard way you don't need to. Think before you love again. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. See you next episode.